Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to show you how you can manage your connected applications in Discord. So what do I mean by connected applications? These are things like Spotify, Reddit, maybe some social media like Twitter or Facebook, and they're really easy to manage in Discord nowadays. So all you have to do is to go to your user settings, which can be found in the bottom left of your screen, and then go to connections. It should be underneath the user settings. So once you've got the connections tab open up, you can see you can add some accounts to your profiles. There's plenty of options available. For this example, I'm going to be using Spotify. That way I get to display whatever I'm listening to onto my Discord account. So there we go. I've connected my Spotify account and I can close this window and go back to Discord. So there it is. You can display Spotify as your status. So for example, if I were to play something on my Spotify account, so I'm gonna go ahead and play some video game soundtracks. Let's go ahead and play the Prey soundtrack. And I'm gonna go ahead and play that. There we go. It's playing. And if I go back to Discord, it should show. There it is. It's currently playing on my status. You can even see the album art and the specific track if you open the, what do you call this? The profile bubble. So that's how you can connect your accounts from different services to your Discord account. I hope you were able to learn something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.